Hi there. In this video we are going to talk about or demonstrate exactly how messages sent from Gecko, so emails or texts, look within Dynamics. Now, it's important to note that text messages and emails can be sent from a bewildering amount of places in Gecko. They can be actions in events. For instance, if somebody checks into your event, you send them a text message straight away with a campus map. It could be an email saying thanks very much for filling in our form. It could be a mass texting broadcast, an action based off of a call script that somebody's had with a call agent, or it could just be a simple case of, hello, here's the contact I want for the message, and I'm going to call them here, I'm going to email them, I'm going to text them. What we're going to do is, for the purposes of this, we're going to send an email, we're going to send a text, and then we're going to hop over to the student's record on Connect, and we're going to see how that looks on the timeline. So, for the purposes of illustrating this, we're going to choose to send to our test record here. We're choosing the sender, so we should be seeing in Dynamics that this is coming from Gecko University, the wonderfully fictitious, I'm sure you've all heard of it. We're going to be sending a drag and drop email, which looks very pretty, but we'll see what pulls over, and we'll get that sent to the student. And I'm also going to send a text message to the student. And this one is slightly less pretty looking. It's absolute gibberish. Perfect. Now, within Gecko, these are both visible. I can see the template when it was sent. The log of this is definitely here. I can actually see on my phone, I've received that text message just now. And this is the email that we're sending over with a lovely picture of an aardvark just there. So I'm going to pause this. We're going to give Gecko a few moments to push that across, and then we'll see that in the contact record. Okay. And I've told Gecko to sync the contact. And as soon as we've done that, what has happened is the contact has been updated with our most recent messages. So we can see our text message as it's been sent. We can also see our lovely picture of the aardvark there. That was maybe a bad choice in retrospect, but all of that information is synced over. So extremely easy to set up, and underpinning this, I don't want you thinking there's been a ton of work done to update this. Certainly looking at the templates, it doesn't look like there's been a ton of work. Literally, this has been achieved by telling Dynamics, push the first name to the first name, the last name to the last name, here's the telephone number, sync that to the telephone number and the email to the email. That's enough for us to be able to create and identify that contact and then update the appropriate timeline. So everything works really, really simply.